let me introduce you debt cleaning strategy so you can become debt-free with a specific time frame. First, you're going to be focused on your revolving debt, such as credit cards. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at every single one of your credit card, and I want you to list every single one of them out with this information right here. Second step, I want you to go ahead and use a calculator and figure out exactly how much it's going to require for you to pay off in 12 months. I know it's not feasible for everybody, but again, I want you to go ahead and have that calculation ready. And the way you're going to do it is you're going to use a calculator called culookup.com. And with each credit card, I want you to go ahead and figure it out exactly. Type the balances right there, minimum payment, the interest rate, and I want you to type 12-month right here and calculate. Once you have that number, I want you to go ahead and list under B. Then I want you to calculate. I want you to go ahead and take B minus A, and that is the amount, how much extra that you're going to require for every single credit card to pay it off in 12 months. And again, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of all those debts in 24 months. That is a financial tip of the day from Bliss Finance.